Thank you and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. I just really want to thank you for coming out and checking out my channel today. This 3-day art extravaganza means the world to myself and all the artists. We do this because we love art, we love sharing, and we just really appreciate the fact that you take time out of your day to come support us, especially as we all are trying to grow and learn. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 12 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. And what you're watching is I'm blowing out my base coat. My base coat is a titanium white. I'm torching the bubbles. And then once I finish torching the bubbles, I will start laying out my colors. And all the colors that I'm using today will be listed in the description below. But this is a Reflex Rose. And I'm going for a lot of negative space in this piece. This next color is a Dioxazine Purple. And this is a Greenish Yellow. Sky Blue Light. And then lavender. And that lavender I created from a Dioxazine Purple and my titanium white. Mix them up. And this is an iridescent gold. So I am putting a little bit of of white around my colors. And that actually helps the colors to flow. Blowing some of the white over the colors. And then I will blow it out. Any artists that you missed in the past 3 days, please check them out. Their links will be in my description below. I got this mini blower from Amazon. People always ask me where I got it from. So I got it from Amazon. And now my goal is really just to embellish or put a little detailing into the artwork. And that's what I really use my blower for. Sometimes I'll even use my finger, or I'm going to use a wooden skewer in a few minutes also. So I'm using the skewer to add a little bit more definition. Again, thank you, Nina from Nina Art Life. She came on right before me. Greatly appreciate that. And after me, Donna from It's Art by Donna will be going on. And I hope everyone goes and checks out her magnificent artwork. She's going to surprise us this week with something new. So again, I just want to say thank you. Check out all the artists, and I will just be quiet and let you enjoy the art and the music. Again, my name is Michelle from Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.